in the pouch. Took her to the forest, put the wood in her mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I never wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling plane like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud. There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know.
5 best cats of my life.
It should have been top 1.
Yeah,
top 3.
It's top 1. Siyempre kasama yung unang gupit mo sa akin.
Oh.
Galing, master.
Kahit nagpa-practice ka pa lang nun.
That's right. Assistant.
Assistant.
He doesn't want to hold it.
Okay na? Style na natin.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yung buhok mo, it's okay to be wet.
Yeah.
Pag yung styling niya.
Yeah.
Tapos,
No, he's telling you.
no, yeah, when your hair is wet like this, okay. Okay?
Wet
Tapos,
look.
you will put the product, kailangan
Anong
talagang
product? Pomade?
pomade or something shiny.
Gel.
Gel, yung hindi nagiging hard.
Yung nagiging
Hindi, wag gawin yung nagiging hard.
pangit yan.
Oo, kasi magiging slimy. Gawin mo una sa likod. Isang kamay muna lang.
Okay.
Tapos, once you're in the middle, use 2 hands again. Nasa taas. See hindi sa ilalim, sa taas.
Taas lang.
Kasi pag sa ilalim,
Yung scalp.
it's gonna be too much product na it's gonna get heavy.
Magiging balakubak.
Magiging flat actually.
Okay.
So imagine mo, one hand first. Paikot kang ganyan, parang dinaday mo yung buhok mo. And then use 2 hands when you're here in the middle.
Tapos, sino sa kulitan?